今日咧我就嚟到 MK， 你哋唔好估錯啊，唔係香港嘅 MK， 係英國嘅 MK Milton Keynes 啊！咁 F1 Properties 咧今日就嚟到 Milton Keynes 呢個地方啦。咁其實呢啲 Milton Keynes 咧，我轉頭咧就會介紹俾大家睇呢度有啲咩好處。但係其實問我有咩好處咧，其實就唔公平嘅。不如問下 Milton Keynes 嘅原居民有啲咩好處啦。
Yeah, Milton Keynes is really nice. I think we've all lived here for like all our lives.
Yeah, and
Really, there's always stuff to do here.
always stuff to do, but then you still have that mix of like greenery. Places like this is just stunning.
Yeah,
it's
there's
beautiful.
loads of
Good
nature
people,
reserves. It's
good
really
places to go for food. There's so many lakes with pubs on them, restaurants. Just such a good area if you want to get away from the busyness of London, but still have a little bit of
Milton Keynes for me has got the most green space per capita for any city in the UK. The roundabouts, yeah, they might be annoying, but to be honest, the transport system's great. Look at this, what we've got here for the kids. I've walked 20 minutes to get here with my daughter. She loves it. Ezra May, what do you think to Milton Keynes? Tell the guys what you think.
Milton Keynes 呢個綠化比例咧，對比翻全英國咧係首屈一指嘅。講緊佔地咧，係講緊綠化嘅地咧6000英畝，同埋有唔同嘅湖啦，包括我右手邊呢個 Woodland Lake 啦。咁但係你唔好以為咁多戶外嘅環境咧，就好似冇乜人喺度翻工喎。其實咧呢度咧有4.5萬嘅科技員工咧喺呢度上班㗎，即係講緊佔總勞動力咧30%，即係每10個人咧有3個人咧就係屬於呢個 IT 界嘅，即係話俾你知係一個中產或以上嘅收入㗎。咁其實咧，我細個咧已經成日經過咧 Milton Keynes Central 呢個站嘅，或者因為我嗰陣時咧喺北面讀書啦，永遠咧就會搭呢個火車落倫敦咧，其實都會停最尾一個站呢度嘅。咁其實首先呢，就只係需要一站式嘅咧32分鐘咧呢個車程咧可以嚟到，所以話俾大家知咧係好方便嘅。所以其實呢度咧係成為咗英國第一個衛星城市嘅。咁而家咧，我就喺一個 Milton Keynes 嘅最大嗰個購物中心 MK Centre 嘅中央位啦。咁其實我首先呢個商場咧係非常之特別，因為我一入嚟咧我就好察覺到一樣嘢，佢哋個地板咧係全部鋪晒雲石㗎。而家有幾多個商場仲有呢啲咁樣嘅嘢啊？咁但係呢度咧其實有超過咧240間嘅商鋪啦，同埋餐廳㗎。咁譬如話有啲大牌子咧 ，Apple Shop 啊、H&M 啊，有個 Tesla Showroom 啊，即係話俾你知咧，呢度嘅購物力咧係非常之高啦。仲有3間超市場咧都喺呢度。咁所以其實咧，我好相信咧 Milton Keynes 30萬嘅人口咧，都經常利用呢個中心位咧去購物啊，同埋做佢哋日常所需嘅。係咪估唔到點解呢度會有個室內滑雪場地咧？冇錯啦，呢度就其實呢個叫做 Escape 入邊一個嘅地方。咁其實呢個 Escape 咧，亦都係屬於 Milton Keynes 㗎。咁所以其實佢咧就喺呢個 MK Centre 嘅大概7-8分鐘嘅步程咧，就可以嚟到呢個地方啦。咁有啲咩特別咧？好似我背景咁啦，係個室內嘅滑雪場地。咁如果你哋可能有個機會就係話，想感受一下，當係一個 warm up 嘅一個初嘗試嘅去滑雪場地咧，呢度就係一個好好嘅地方啦。後邊咧仲有一個叫做 Indoor Skydiving 嘅，咁即係其實好似新加坡咁一樣啦，係有個可以俾人模擬下喺室內咧做下呢個空中跳傘嘅。咁亦都另外一樣嘢咧，就係呢度有個保齡球場啦，有唔同嘅餐廳啦，所以係多一啲戶內活動咧，俾一家大細喺 Milton Keynes 咧可以去做㗎。由朝頭早啦，去到晏晝啦，我已經睇晒 Milton Keynes 呢個中心位置，其實真係好有規劃嘅。咁我又講翻少少歷史啦，講緊係50-60年代咧，其實英國政府咧已經規劃緊呢個城市做一個衛星城市。嚟到倫敦咧，唔好負荷得咁大啦，所以其實喺呢個城市嘅，其實好多街道咧就全部好似攞咗個間尺畫出嚟咁，就唔好少 blind spot， 即係有啲唔轉彎嘅位啊，會好容易發生意外啊。呢度咧就梗係為避免咗呢樣嘢，咁佢就規劃咗咁樣啦。佢哋呢個地方咧，有大概15至20分鐘嘅步程咧，大概3分鐘嘅車程咧，有個全新樓盤，由 Milton Keynes City Council 同發展商一齊打造。講緊係一個4600伙嘅私人住宅，有分咗超過10期嘅。 唔同時間咧會落成㗎。咁但係呢度其實有啲咩特別咧？其實會有3間小學、1間中學，會有商鋪啦、辦公室啦、餐廳啦，陸續會一次過喺晒成個地方，簡直將會成為一個 Milton Keynes 嘅地標。咁其實呢度咧會有1房啦，同埋去到5房嘅大宅嘅，可以俾大家選擇。咁我暫時睇過啲價單啦，咁但係個價單話都俾大家知咧，都係非常之相宜嘅。啱啱咧，大家就睇完咗英國嘅 MK Milton Keynes 呢個地方係屬於咩地方啦 ？Milton Keynes 帶到俾我嘅感覺咧，係真係一個好唔同一個傳統嘅英國一個地方嚟㗎。咁某個程度上有啲似一個新嘅城市啦。咁所以如果你哋有興趣想了解得更多嘅，同埋了解得更多，譬如話呢度個最新嘅樓盤嘅，可以隨時聯絡我哋 F1 Properties。希望大家中意我哋睇我哋嘅片。如果你真係中意嘅，俾個 like 同埋撳埋個鐘仔，留意我哋下一條片啦。